Yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a quick unboxing of this. The reviews are going to come in later, so let's just get into the box quickly and see what we have in this box. I'm pretty excited because, as you can see here, it won the IF Design Award for 2019, and it's true wireless earbuds, ultra lightweight, 5 gram per earbuds, up to 16-hour battery life with portable charging case, high quality audio and voice, sweat and splash protection, universal Bluetooth compatibility, so it should work with any device that has a Bluetooth connectivity. Easy access to your favorite AI assistant, so Google Assistant, Siri, and name it. So what do we have in here? True wireless earbuds, charging case, 3 pair earbuds, 15 cm USB-C cable, quick start guide. On the sides, I don't think we have any other thing. True wireless earbuds. So let's these are the Nokia BH-705. Okay, so let's get into the box and see what we have. The packaging is quite sweet. Now this opens sideways, and we have a hole here we could put our hands in. Open this up, and we can lift this up. Like I always do, the main gadget has to wait. So what do we have in here? Wow, some nice packaging. So I think this should be the let's see, it should be the type C cables. Okay, so we have some pretty decent quality, not decent, good quality type C cables. Keep this aside. What do we have here? Okay, let's see, how do we get in here? I think all we have here are just leaflets, user guide, user manuals. Quite thick actually. I wonder what could be so complex about a wireless earbud that it has all these manuals though, but you know, to avoid lawsuits and all that, they have to put every single information in there. So keep this aside. So let's get in here. I think these are the earbud tips. Okay, just earbud tips. So let's keep this aside. So let's come to the main attraction. So this should be the charging case. Well, this is quite sleek. Portable, but I think not still as possible as like the earbuds, but this is quite cool. I like the idea. Feels sleek. So they open up. So we have each earbud. Pretty light. And they should fit into the ear comfortably. But that will come in the review. So I think this goes in. Which one is the right earbud? So it goes in here. Okay, and we have the left one going in here. Oh God. That didn't fit in. Okay, so on the slide in. So from here now you could see they are both charging. I think I really need to charge this. So that's all about the unboxing. So stay tuned for the reviews. Thank you very much.